You've probably heard it 1,000 times. You shouldn't be a loner, or why don't you get out more? It makes you feel like there's something missing, something wrong with you. But what if the craving for alone time isn't a deficit, but a necessity for your brain? Society is designed for the extrovert. We're constantly told that success, happiness, and even mental health are directly tied to how much time we spend with other people. So, when you choose a book over a party, you're not just making a choice, you're fighting a cultural narrative that tells you you're doing it wrong. Here is the key: solitude is not loneliness. Loneliness is a painful state of feeling disconnected. Solitude is a conscious choice to be with yourself. Your brain actually uses this time to process complex emotions, spark creativity, and restore your nervous system. For an introvert personality, solitude isn't just nice, it's foundational. Instead of apologizing for needing time alone, make it intentional. 1. Set boundaries. 2. Define your solitude rituals, things you only do alone that restore you. 3. Stop treating your alone time as free time and start treating it as maintenance time. You don't need a crowd to be complete. If you love your alone time, I want to hear your ritual. What is that one thing you love to do when you're finally by yourself? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more episodes to decode your mind, because understanding yourself changes everything.